Hey guys, I recently pulled that out of a wall and I had to do some demolition to get it out. But today's video, it may be a long one. It's about changing a heat exchanger on one of the Rheem RRNA, I think it's AL42 gas packs. I'm trying to show most of it so the new guys can see how to do it. Plus I'm doing a condenser fan motor at the same place. So stay tuned, here it comes. This is what we're working on. This condenser fan motor failed and I found a hole in the heat exchanger. If I'm not mistaken, this was a stainless one. Yeah, and there are the holes up here. So we're going to do this heat exchanger and that condenser fan motor. Pull this blower motor and we have orange, brown, black, blue, red. I already know that, but I like to mark it that for one, it lets other technicians know that this has been pulled. I'm pulling all this through because we have to disconnect all of this. As y'all see, we got a stainless heat exchanger. It don't look to be in the best of shape, but y'all saw the holes in the front of it. What in the world? All right, we need to get disconnecting all of this, which is no big deal. I basically disconnect everything and just remove this from the package unit. All right. Try not to tear this up. Let me see. Yep, I got to pull that through. This tiny little zip tie right here tells me that heat exchanger's probably never been changed. Alright, mostly all that's disconnected now. Alright, we just gotta unhook our low voltage. We got to unhook our capacitor and the compressor wires. Now to undo the power wires. All right, this piece is ready to come out. All right, we're gonna have our pipe wrenches, and looks like I'm at least gonna need a new heat shield here. I think I got one of those on the van. Lovely. Nope, that ain't coming out. Oh, that seemed a little bit loose. All right, let's see if I can. Oh, there's a screw up in here that I don't think I'm gonna be able to get out. Nope. Got it out, but I might have to go get another one of these pieces. Yeah, those screws ain't coming out. Y'all see all those holes in the heat exchanger now? Probably one over here too. You got some? Oh. All right, so what I was trying to find were these plates right here. Yeah, that heat exchanger's busted too. I mean, this over here. I'm gonna have trouble with a lot of this. That ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to try another way. There's another screw back down there, but it's easier to remove once you get this off. Get this out of here. And we got one more down on the bottom there. And we got a little holder for these tubes that mounts right here. Am I missing something? Most of these package units are only this tall. This one's a little bit taller. I think there's some screws right here. Here we go. Got it to turn. That looks like one that I might be able to. Et voila. Oh my God, that's crumbling too. There's a little screw that holds that in. All right, let's see if I can get this last screw out. Oh. Almost there. Notice that I'm doing this in speed 1. With the Gen 2 of these, there was no way I could have done that. It would just go, it wouldn't impact. There's something else holding that in? No. And how about that? I'm not going to need this because I didn't take the draft motor off the housing. I'll tell you what, I'm liking this new Gen 3 impact because I can use that speed 1. I'm looking across this to see if the crossover burners are blocked. All of them seem to be open. Let's go ahead and mount this while we got it out. Hey, we need this additional amount. So I need a blue box cover and that little plate that goes on the bottom. Both of those I can add on later very easily. Hey Jeannie, hey, I need to ask you about a flue box cover for one of the Rheem gas packs, a heat shield, and there is a plate that goes under the burners. You talking about, well, the radiation shield's on top, isn't it? I'm talking about, no, the radiation shield's on top of the burners. There's another one that may be another type of radiation shield that is on the bottom, on the very bottom of the burners. Okay. All right, y'all, I was trying to order parts. I ordered a new flue box cover, a new heat shield, but I have one on the van, and that new, it's kind of a burner radiation shield sort of thing. She didn't call this a flue box cover, she called it a collector box. There we go. All right, so that's broken. It's not going to do me any good, but this one, I can use. And we have a rollout switch right here. They do get quite hot, so the plastic becomes brittle. In fact, I can go pick up the collector box. Oops. Well guys, my battery died, but I had to pull this back out and install it and then put my screw in here. All right, let's get the blower. Oh, hold on. I'm about to skip something. This little plate under there. All right, I got one hole lined up. All right, let's get the other one. Now we can put the blower in. Control panel. Showed you. All right, so we got to get all this wired back up, and all right, so all of this has to come through here. Oh, I got some more to feed through here. All right. So wiring this up is easy. These go right here. It don't matter which one goes where. Of course, hook up your tube here, and I'm going to have a little grommet to put in there. And of course, this gas valve is single stage. It don't matter which one of these goes where. It's just a 24-volt coil. And these go around here to your rollout switch. This is your flame sensor. Ooh, that slid right on. All right, got all that hooked up. We got to hook up our compressor wires. This is run. I noticed because I left my capacitor still hooked up. Coming and to Rheem start. All right, our thermostat wires we're going to need to feed through here. All right, we got those wires through. Got our low voltage hooked up. Well guys, college football is almost here. black, blue, and red. Okay, so I didn't have my spark wire routed through the right hole. I had it out here. Y'all may have noticed that. And I've got a little grommet for right here. Oops. And my little grommet's not cooperating. There we go. All right. There we go. Now that's on there right. Yeah, I'm not going to zip tie this together because I'm coming back to remove this. All right, guys, this video is mostly about doing the heat exchanger, which I am all but that collector box. I'm pretty much done, so I'm gonna fast forward doing the condenser fan motor. All right, the amperage rating on that motor is 2.6. And we're at 1.77. This is a R22 system, so I'm glad to see pressures are doing fine.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one now.
You too. All right, we are back to replace this box. Man, what the world? Now I feel much safer about leaving this. It's not heating season yet, but they're probably going to have to call and get somebody to come turn on the gas. In fact, I might do that now. Gas is already on. Well guys, that one is completely done. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope it was informative to some of the new guys. That's just how I do those heat exchangers. The whole job, including the condenser fan motor and running to the parts house, took me 4 hours. So normally if I have everything I need, just a heat exchanger is about 3 hours, maybe a little bit less. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.